Back again, bitches. The lovebirds, nigga. It's just a tree of us. But it's we your hostess, nigga. Motherfucker, you got Peter Jameson, the Furu Gunk mother. God damn it, I'm fucking up. I'm drunk. The motherfucking guru fuck doctor, nigga. That's me, bitches. Peter Jameson, nigga. On the right of me, you got Pain is Love, motherfuckers. The motherfucking guitarist, nigga, the group, nigga, he gets it in, bitches. Motherfucker, on the left of a nigga, you got rock and rolling, nigga.
Yeah.
The second verse, nigga. And the nigga play the guitar also, nigga. Motherfucker.
I just got out of jail.
You tell your story, nigga. Tell them how we do it, nigga. We do things big up in this motherfucker.
We just got out of a 9 to 5. Hard time, bitches. We smacked the bitch, fucked the bitch, caressed the bitch.
Correct the bitch's ass!
And she had a problem with us touching the ass. That's why I got this expression on my face. Fuck that bitch.
That nigga
He ate the ass, his face ain't never been the same. I promise. It's like acid to his face, he'd be okay though.
I just got a gym, you know why? Cause I was more than a motherfucking pimp, nigga. Officer started to say, let me check your motherfucker. Your breathing. See if you was drinking. I said, motherfucker, I wasn't drinking, I was thinking while I was drinking, nigga. I was thinking if I could have another cup. Niggas, we do this shit big, nigga. Y'all motherfuckers wish y'all was like this. Look what the bitches buying, niggas. Check up, we motherfucking platinum and shit, nigga. What we do? Platinum shit. Y'all motherfuckers be hating on niggas. We got a song, nigga. We got a song. We got a song, nigga.
Hold up.
Hit that beat, nigga.
Wait, hold up.
Hit the motherfucking beat.
Wait. Let's do that song we did in the pen. About that bitch, if I ever seen that bitch.
Ah, here we go. Drop that shit, nigga. Drop the beat, nigga. Yeah, I feel it, nigga. Yeah. Bitch. You done fucked up for the last time, bitch.
I've seen it.
Bitch, you fucked up for the last time.
Fucked up, bitch.
I think you done lost your motherfucking mind.
Lost it, bitch.
What makes you think you can get away with the shit you done did to me?
Oh, you ain't gonna get away, bitch.
I said you did dirt.
You dirty bitch.
Now you's about to get seriously hurt.
You gonna get I'm gonna choke your ass, bitch.
Don't you ever come back here no more.
Oh, if I catch you,
And if I catch you, I'm gonna fuck you up.
I'm gonna do more than fuck you up.
Drag your ass out the
Buy your fucking
fucking car.
Buy your weed,
That's what it is, nigga. Nigga, that's what it is. We got another song, nigga. What's another song we gotta do, nigga? Here ain't another motherfucker there.
When I catch that bitch, I'ma smack it down to the ground. Yeah. I hate that bitch.
Damn, nigga, you hate a lot of women, nigga. I love the bitches.
I love bitches
Which one
too,
you gonna-
but this particular bitch got me arrested for some bullshit.
That's how we gotta make a love song, nigga. Hold on, I got one.
All of us. She got all of us jammed up.
I got one. Hold on, I got one. Got that beat, dog. Got that beat.
This is sad. I'm even drinking.
Got the beat, nigga. Yeah. She threw my clothes out in the street. She said I can't eat. She got me sleeping on the couch at night. Beat my knee, yeah. Beat my knee, yeah. Now I'm hungry, honey. I'm on my knees, girl. Well, not right now, but I'm on it now. Oh, Jesus Christ, come save me.
Fucking bitch.
Come save me. Come save me, nigga, from the motherfucking laws. We all up in the fucking halls. Now we doing things to get it all done. I got my motherfucking money up. Now you the dumb bitch. Dumb. Use a dumb bitch.
Cut.
Dumb, you don't like that
You
shit?
fired. You fired.
What she do? What she do?
You're fired.
Song, nigga. We'll be back. Brought to you by motherfucker Welch's. They got good juice, but it ain't better than dick milk, nigga. Dick milk give you wings. Talking about chicken. Take care.